welcome back to another one chart lesson. Today we're doing another fantastic easy little chord progression that just sounds lovely. It's from a song called White Trainers by Olivia Dean, and as you heard, it's just a really nice little simple progression. We're using major 7 chords. So you can play your C major 7 like this. It's very easy. You play a regular C and lift your finger off the B string. You can play your F major 7 just as easily. In fact, it's easier than an F major. So it's leaving that top E string open, which a lot of people struggle with anyway. So this is a great song to kind of start yourself working towards clean F chords. Anyway, that's your F major 7. On the recording, when you listen to the F major 7 closely, you can hear this note inside that chord, which means that they're using this voicing. So it's like a D major 7 shape on the 3rd fret, but that's an F major 7 chord, so that's the one they use. You can also use your C major 7 there, which is an A major 7 shape on the 3rd fret, and go back and forth and stay on that 3rd fret. So you pick the bass note, then with your other 3 fingers you grab 3 notes of that chord, 3 of the higher strings. Doesn't really matter which 3 they are. I'm doing D, G and B strings. If you're down here, you'd probably use G, B and E strings. Go with what sounds nice and play them twice like that. So it's 1, 2, 3. Then when you go back to the other chord, try and play that. It doesn't matter if you do or don't, but try and play that last bass note on the last beat of the bar before you go back to the next chord. So it sounds like this. That's all the verses. Then when it comes to the bridge, there's no change behind the sofa, or spend a good night in your bed. That is an F6 chord, which you can play like that, right? Just from that D major 7 shape, just lifting your finger off the B string. If you're playing an open shape, then that's your F6. Or you can leave that top E string open. Then you go to your D minor chord. So it's F6 to D minor. There's no change behind the sofa, spend a good night in your bed. Isn't it about time we said? Hit that bass note before you go back to the C major 7 again. All I wanna do is dance with you. Hard to sing and play that particular rhythm at the same time, so get the rhythm down first before you try and sing this. Lovers do our favorite 80s tracks. And at the end of the chorus, forget about your troubles for the night. That's the entire song. Such a beautiful little progression, nice chords. If you spend some time to make sure you get those open, clear, ringing notes, let them sustain for as long as you can, it's a lovely, lovely song. That's it. That's all I got for this one. Fast and easy. Thanks for watching. See you here next time.